In this tutorial, I'll show you how to uninstall Google Drive from Windows PC. By the end, you'll have completely removed the Google Drive application from your Windows computer using the built-in Windows settings. First, click Start. On the taskbar, select the Windows icon to open the Start menu. You should see your pinned apps and a search bar. Next, open Settings. From the Start menu, click the Settings app. If you don't see it immediately, type Settings into the Start search and select it from the results. This opens the Windows Settings window. Now, go to Apps, then Installed Apps. In the Settings window, look to the left sidebar and click Apps. On the right, select Installed Apps. This takes you to a list of all applications currently installed on your PC. From here, find Google Drive. You can scroll through the list or use the search box at the top of the Installed Apps page and type Google Drive to jump straight to it. Make sure you select the one labeled Google Drive by Google LLC so you remove the correct program. Once you've located it, click Uninstall. On the right side of the Google Drive entry, click the three-dot button to reveal more options, then choose Uninstall. If you see a small confirmation in Settings asking if you want to uninstall this app, click Uninstall again to proceed. Now, confirm Uninstall. If Windows prompts you to allow the uninstaller to make changes, click Yes to continue. You may see a Google Drive uninstaller window appear. Follow the on-screen prompt to confirm you want to remove Google Drive. This process removes the application from your PC. Your files stored in Google Drive Online are not deleted by uninstalling the app on your computer, so it's safe to proceed. At this point, wait a moment while Windows completes the uninstallation. The Google Drive entry will disappear from the installed apps list once it's finished. If the window closes automatically, that's normal. You can return to the installed apps page and search for Google Drive again to confirm it's no longer listed. That's it. You clicked Start, opened Settings, went to Apps, then Installed Apps, found Google Drive, clicked Uninstall, and confirmed the uninstall. Google Drive is now removed from your Windows PC and the change is complete. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.